Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Are you looking for the best nugget ice makers? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best nugget ice makers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check the user to see which one is in your budget range. Studying at Top 1. Portable Countertop Ice Maker Nugget Self-Cleaning Machine. The Portable Countertop Ice Maker Nugget Self-Cleaning Machine is a compact and efficient solution for all your ice making needs at home, in the office, or on the go. With the ability to produce 9 ice cubes in just 6 minutes and up to 26 lbs of ice per day, it ensures you always have fresh, chewable nugget ice ready for drinks, smoothies, or parties. This machine features automatic self-cleaning, making maintenance a breeze and ensuring hygienic operation with every cycle. Despite its powerful performance, it runs quietly, producing minimal noise, making it ideal for kitchens, RVs, dorm rooms, or even bedside use. Its space-saving, compact design fits neatly on any countertop without clutter. The intuitive control panel and large viewing window let you monitor ice production at a glance, while the smart sensor system alerts you when the ice basket is full or water needs refilling. With its modern design, energy-efficient performance, and user-friendly operation, this Nugget Ice Maker is perfect for families, entertainers, or anyone who enjoys a steady supply of soft, chewable ice. Say goodbye to frequent trips to the store and enjoy fresh ice anytime you want. Convenient, fast, and reliable. Top 2. Countertop Portable Ice Maker 26 pounds Nugget Ice Self-Cleaning. The Countertop Portable Ice Maker is the perfect addition to any home, office, or party setup. This sleek and compact machine delivers up to 26 lbs of soft, chewable nugget ice per day, with each batch ready in just minutes, ideal for keeping drinks cool and refreshing without delay. Equipped with a 1.2-quart water reservoir, it offers continuous ice production with minimal refills. The self-cleaning function simplifies maintenance, ensuring your ice remains fresh and hygienic with every use. Its easy touch control panel makes operation effortless. Just fill the reservoir, press a button, and let the machine do the rest. Designed with convenience in mind, it includes an ice scoop and features an indicator light that notifies you when the basket is full or water is low. Its low-noise operation and space-saving design make it ideal for countertops in kitchens, RVs, dorms, or offices. Whether you're hosting a party, enjoying cocktails, or just need a steady supply of ice throughout the day, this portable Nugget Ice Maker provides reliable performance with style and ease. Enjoy the luxury of freshly made ice anytime, anywhere. Top 3. Crushed Pellet Nugget Ice Maker Machine. The Crushed Pellet Nugget Ice Maker Machine delivers a powerful ice-making solution in a sleek, portable design. Capable of producing up to 33 lbs of soft, chewable nugget ice in 24 hours, this machine ensures you never run out. Perfect for home use, parties, offices, or RV adventures. Engineered for convenience, it features a self-cleaning function that keeps the interior fresh and reduces maintenance. The easy add water system means no complicated plumbing, just pour water into the reservoir and let it start churning out delicious nugget ice in minutes. Its compact countertop design fits neatly into any space while operating quietly, so it won't disrupt your environment. The intuitive control panel and indicator lights make it easy to monitor the ice-making process, alerting you when it's time to add water or empty the ice bin. This portable ice maker combines performance and ease of use, making it ideal for anyone who loves cold drinks with that perfect, crunchable nugget ice texture. Whether you're relaxing at home, entertaining guests, or heading out on a road trip, this machine provides fresh ice on demand, fast, efficient, and refreshingly simple. Top 4. TGBFGE Profile Opal 1.0 Nugget Ice Maker. The TGBFGE Profile Opal 1.0 Nugget Ice Maker is a high-quality, portable countertop pebble ice machine designed to deliver up to 34 lbs of soft, chewable nugget ice per day. Its compact design fits neatly on most countertops, making it ideal for home kitchens, offices, or small gatherings. This ice maker features a convenient refillable water reservoir and an optional side water tank, allowing for extended ice production without frequent refills. It quickly produces its first batch of ice in about 10 minutes and stores up to 3 pounds of ice in its removable bin, ready whenever you need it. Equipped with intuitive controls, a built-in ice scoop with holder, and a flip-top lid, the Opal 1.0 is easy to operate and maintain. It runs quietly, ensuring it won't disturb your daily routine, while self-cleaning cycles help keep the machine fresh and hygienic. Perfect for making cocktails, iced coffee, or refreshing cold drinks, this Nugget Ice Maker combines convenience, performance, and sleek design. The GE Profile Opal 1.0 offers a reliable, stylish way to enjoy restaurant-quality nugget ice right at home. Top 5. VIVOHOME Nugget Ice Maker Countertop. The VIVOHOME Nugget Ice Maker is a powerful and portable countertop machine that produces up to 44 lbs of soft, chewable nugget ice per day, making it perfect for home use, parties, RV trips, or outdoor gatherings. Its compact design fits conveniently on any countertop, providing fresh ice whenever you need it. This ice maker features a self-cleaning function that simplifies maintenance and ensures hygienic ice production without extra effort. The large ice bin can be easily removed for cleaning or to quickly access the ice, and the machine comes with an ice scoop for easy serving. Additionally, it includes ice bags for convenient storage. The VIVOHOME Nugget Ice Maker is designed for ease of use with a simple control panel, letting you start ice production quickly. It creates chewable pellet-style ice that is ideal for cocktails, smoothies, or keeping drinks cold without watering them down. While many users appreciate its ice-making speed and capacity, some have reported issues with noise and long-term durability. Despite these concerns, the VIVOHOME Ice Maker remains a popular choice for those seeking a high-volume, compact, and easy-to-use nugget ice machine that delivers satisfying, chewable ice at home or on the go.